everyone, I am Dr. Shivangi, and let us talk about how our mind affects our body. And we have been discussing elaborately about the effects of stress on our body, how stress impacts our brain, and in turn, how our brain influences the whole cascade of reactions in which the hormonal system, the endocrine glands, the blood vessels participate in creating the actual resultant disease. So let us understand every time when we say it is the effect that is seen on the body, what do we mean by it? So basically, effect is something that is the result. Okay, when we look at any symptoms, number of symptoms, or pathology, it is the result that we are looking at. The cause is always there in the mind, so it is always cause effect phenomena, or it is always the mind and body phenomena, and that is what the whole concept of homeopathy and homeopathic treatment is based on. And it is very important to understand how our psyche, our mind, influences our body to create a disease. So whenever everything is in balance, your mind, your body, your emotional state, your physical state is in balance. In medical terms, we call it homeostasis, and that is your state of ease. But once there are various situations a human being suffers from, and probably those situations are not always under our control. So if there is any inevitable situation a person goes through, and that situation influences his mind, makes him emotional. Now there can be negative emotions as well as positive emotions. Negative emotions like fear, shock, anger, grief, etc. Now these emotions are going to in a long run, they are going to create disease. Immediately the body is not going to react to it and cause any sort of disease. So body has its own immunity and resistance to disease, to which it tries to fight it out. But after a certain threshold is crossed, the body cannot just fight it out, and that is where the state of disease starts. And that is how the cause, that is the mental cause, your emotional cause, is going to give rise to disease, that is the physical phenomena or the pathology that sets in. So this is a brief about the cause effect phenomena, or the mind and body phenomena on which homeopathy is based on. Thank you.